Alright, so it is Thursday. It is June 20, and it is 9:15 in the morning. And we're up here on the Continental Divide. Over there is Idaho, this is Montana. And we're working, and it's very lightly starting to snow. The camera might not be picking it up, as it's very light, but it is snowing up here. And none of us have snow gear that is that warm. So it might pick up a little bit more. We can see that there is a bigger storm over there in those mountains, and that is coming toward us. So making it a lot. Got it.
Hey, how's it going?
Got it. Alright, Andrew. Hold that tool up.
Like this, maybe me looking back that way.
Looking that way?
Yeah, like one facing the camera, one looking back.
Sure. Alright, facing the camera. 1, 2, 3. Got it. Okay. Face the other way. Alright, 1, 2, 3. Got it. Thank you.
Thanks, bro.
Yep.
You're videotaping this?
Yeah.
Dude, this is sweet.
This is kind of cool. It's June 20th.
Also, be summer.
Yeah.
It feels like it's the first week of December.
Yeah. Happy holidays, everyone.
Thank you, Cookie.
Anybody else want a peep?
Yeah, I'll take a peep.
You know, this hurts my butt, but...
Who wants a peep?
You want one as well? Should I just keep on standing here rotation?
Well, the heat elevation's gone up.
Dude, yes.
I just like watching the cloud rise up from the trees.
Yeah, I know, that'd be like a cool like time lapse.
Maybe we'll get lucky and we'll not just sleep in the snow tonight.
Oh, weather report. Turn your radio on.
I don't have mine on me.
Darn it, me neither.
What time is it? Move, move, move.
One, 2, 3. Got it. Thank you.
Make sure to get an email list to put all these pictures on.
Yes.
Put LNT at the bottom.
It's the morning of June 21. We're out here on the Continental Divide. Last night we got about 3 or 4 inches of snow, which was kind of unexpected. And we woke up to this. And none of us have winter gear or anything like that. And we're gonna try and just get out of here this morning. We were supposed to work 4 hours, but I don't think that's gonna happen. So we're in our tarp shelter right now, which is the only place that didn't get snowed, besides our tents, and we are making some boiling water for breakfast.
I respect that. In the wild. Wow. There's ice in, there was ice in there. It's probably. Oh, no, there's still a little bit on top.
I see a bit floating.
Yeah, great. This is a great time to be alive. Middle of June.
Summer solstice,
Summer solstice.
4 inches of snow.
Longest day of the year, supposedly. And here we are. It's 25 degrees. Looking like, Grant, how many inches of snow would you say that is?
3 or 4.
3 or 4?
I had to blow on them a few times before I put them on my face.
I was weighing the benefits of, like, do I put in contacts? I feel like my contact solution might have frozen.
Yeah, probably. Although that's saline, it might.
Oh, yeah,
Might
probably
not
not.
have.
distracted. There's